How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about two products in hair loss treatment, being Unthin and Hims. So we'll be talking about the key features of each, as well as the pros and cons, their key features, and ultimately deciding which of the two is the better option. So we'll be basing it on the effectiveness, user testimonials, and the price. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So after some extensive research on both products, right off the bat, I found that Unthin had better, well received feedback from customers compared to Hims. However, that is not a knock on Hims's effectiveness when it comes to hair loss treatment. It's more about their customer service, which we'll get to later. But starting with what exactly the use for the chemicals and the material for the treatment itself, it says here that Unthin actually uses a minoxidil topical solution, whereas if you guys check online and look around, you'll see that Hims actually uses finasteride, regain, and minoxidil. So in terms of um chemical potency, then I would have to give the edge to Hims. However, this is not always a good thing. And the reason is because if you guys have a sensitive scalp, then you may actually benefit more just from using Unthin, which only uses a minoxidil solution. Whereas Hims, on the other hand, uses all those three in one solution. So the efficacy of the serum is going to depend on whether you guys have a sensitive scalp or not. So moving on. So in terms of customer testimonials, it goes without saying that based on my research, people really love Unthin. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these posts of the before and after shot of people using, a lot of them being fake. However, Unthin has some real results, as you can see. And the reason I'm saying that is because these aren't exaggerated. These are actual results from customers. And based on the reviews that I've read online, a lot of them seem to say that the product worked. Now, going back to Hims, on the other hand, Hims actually does work, but it doesn't work all the time. You can even see here that people are talking about the customer support being subpar, being unresponsive, so customer support, good concept, pure execution, slow shipping, and highway robbery. They canceled. So you guys get the gist. The customer service isn't that great. However, the product itself, there's some mixed reviews about it working and some stories saying that they don't work at all. So at the end of the day, if you guys ask me between the two, I would have to give the edge to Unthin, just based on customer testimonials, which, let's face it, is the only real results that we can count on, as they're not forged or I would say rigged. Whereas Hims, here are the reviews. So there you guys go. So I guess all this to say that Hims is more of a diverse company that doesn't only offer solutions for hair loss, but they also diversify when it comes to treating ED or premature ejaculation or skin diseases or whatever. Whereas Unthin is primarily for hair loss, hence why it works. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have to give the edge to Unthin. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.